What are you doing?
In there.
Why? That's no nose, Caliana.
In stuffy.
Can you close that cupboard, please?
This.
Yeah, close it. That was loud.
Uh-huh. I don't like that.
I don't like that either. What do you have to scream for?
I close that.
I know.
I close that.
Show me a silly face. Oh, good one.
I broke it. I broke it.
Uh-oh. What do you want to do now? Want to have some dinner? What do you want to have?
And I'm waiting for.
Callie, what do you want to have for dinner?
I don't.
Hey, what do you want to eat?
Stuffy.